All right, hi everyone. Hopefully today is drier than yesterday. That being said, let's get into today's assignment. So it is you'll finish up your reading on mini unit 12, the Cold War, and then you'll log on to Schoology and take the reading check. For mini unit 12, that'll be open from 8 to 12. Uh, Remember that the last day for late work and redos has been pushed back to the 16th. Uh, Everything is in Google Classroom, so uh, if you have some trouble finding something, email. And lastly, Schoology will be open for redos for mini units 9, 10, and 11 today from 8 to 12. Uh, that is it. Short and sweet today. Hope all is well and take care.